Today I am reviewing NIMO N152R 2025 student laptop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The NIMO N152R 15.6-inch student laptop is one of those hidden gems in the laptop world, designed for people who want both performance and practicality without paying a premium. Whether you're a student, a professional, or a creative user who needs solid specs and dependable performance, this machine strikes an impressive balance between power, design, and everyday usability. Let's start with what drives this laptop: the AMD Ryzen 5 processor. This 4-core, 8-thread chip clocks up to 7 GHz, and it easily outperforms Intel's popular i5-1135G7 in real-world tasks. That means faster app launches, smoother multitasking, and more efficient performance in both productivity and entertainment. It's the kind of processor that's fast enough for daily office tasks, research, coding, or even light creative work like photo and video editing. Now, the NIMO N152R doesn't stop there. It takes things further with a massive 32 GB of DDR4 RAM. That's more memory than most laptops in this price range ever offer. It means you can have dozens of Chrome tabs open, run video editing software, or work on complex spreadsheets without the system slowing down. The memory is also upgradable, which is great for future-proofing. You can expand it even further if your needs grow down the line, a rare flexibility in modern laptops. Storage is another area where NIMO goes above and beyond. You're getting a 1 TB PCIe SSD, not a slow hard drive. This ensures blazing fast boot times, near-instant app loading, and rapid file transfers. Creators will love it for managing large video or photo files, and students will appreciate how quickly it handles multitasking. Plus, the SSD is expandable, giving you the freedom to increase your storage whenever needed, whether you're archiving media files or installing large software packages. The 15.6-inch Full HD IPS display is another standout feature. With its 1920x1080 resolution, you get sharp, vivid visuals and excellent color accuracy. It's perfect for watching movies, attending online classes, or editing creative content. The anti-glare coating ensures comfortable viewing even in bright environments like classrooms or offices, and its micro-edge design gives it a sleek, modern look. The laptop also features an 85% screen-to-body ratio, offering a larger view area in a compact form factor. NIMO has also paid close attention to user comfort and convenience. The laptop includes a backlit keyboard, which makes working or studying at night much easier. The lighting is evenly distributed, gentle on the eyes, and adjustable depending on your environment. You also get a numeric keypad, perfect for data entry, accounting, or anyone who frequently deals with numbers. The keys themselves feel responsive and comfortable, ideal for long typing sessions. Another premium touch is the fingerprint reader integrated directly into the touchpad. This feature not only makes logging in super quick, but also adds an extra layer of security. No more typing passwords or worrying about privacy in public places, just a quick tap, and you're in. It's a small feature that makes a big difference in daily use. The build quality is solid, too. The NIMO N152R comes in a stylish rose gold metal finish, giving it a premium look and feel. It's lightweight at just under 3.8 pounds, with a thin 0.76-inch profile, making it easy to slip into a backpack or briefcase. Whether you're carrying it to classes, coffee shops, or meetings, it feels portable without feeling fragile. Battery life is another highlight. The 53.58 watt-hour lithium polymer battery delivers up to 9 hours of use and over 12 hours of standby time, enough for a full day of productivity or entertainment. And when it does need charging, the included 65-watt USB-C fast charger gives you about 2 hours of use from just a 15-minute charge. Plus, the same charger can power your smartphone, tablet, or camera, so you can travel lighter with fewer cables. Connectivity is robust and modern. You get multiple USB 3 ports, a USB Type-C, HDMI, SD card slot, and Bluetooth 5.2. This ensures you can connect everything from external drives to projectors without needing adapters. The Wi-Fi 5 connection provides stable performance for streaming, video calls, and remote work. Whether you're attending online classes or participating in Zoom meetings, the connection remains smooth and reliable. One of the biggest selling points of this laptop is its 2-year manufacturer warranty and 90-day hassle-free return policy. That's double the warranty coverage of most competitors. NIMO also offers partial U.S. assembly and quality checks, so you know the product is built and tested to high standards before it reaches you. Their customer service reputation is strong, with quick response times and replacement options, a level of after-sales support that adds real peace of mind. In summary, the NIMO N152R 15.6-inch laptop delivers a well-rounded package that's hard to beat in its category. You get a fast and efficient AMD Ryzen 5 processor, massive 32 GB of RAM, a spacious and speedy 1TB SSD, a crisp full HD display, and thoughtful touches like a backlit keyboard, fingerprint reader, and fast Type-C charging. The build feels premium, it's portable enough for students or professionals, and it's backed by an excellent warranty. Whether you're a student looking for a laptop that can handle heavy multitasking, a professional managing complex workloads, or someone who simply wants a stylish and reliable computer, the NIMO N152R stands out as one of the best value laptops of 2025. It's powerful, practical, and packed with features that make everyday computing effortless. And with its modern design, solid battery life, and dependable performance, it's easy to see why so many users are giving it top ratings. The NIMO N152R is not just a student laptop. It's a smart investment for anyone who wants a capable, long-lasting machine that can do it all.